you to hold him off?
Probably not.
Definitely not.
You guys aren't hoping I'm gonna be the observist, are you?
So how cold does this thing get?
Cold enough for a hellhound. It's not the same as the ice bath you gave Isaac, but it can lower your core temperature past anything a human can survive.
So what does freezing our asses off have to do with our memories?
It'll slow your heart rate and put you in a trance-like state.
Like hypnosis.
Hypnotic regression. If we can figure out how to work it.
This says start, so maybe it's not that complicated.
It's complicated.
So optimistically, how much time do you think we need to do this?
As much time as Liam Miston's keeping by us.